Good morning! Morning pa. Good morning! Happy Thursday, beautiful people. Happy Thursday, everyone. Nangalahati na naman ang linggo. Oh my God. I hope your week is amazing. It's Tita here. It's 11:57 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Malamig na Thursday. Malamig na Thursday. Yes, medyo malamig na talaga. It's -6 right now. Plus the wind chill. Oh my gosh. So talagang talagang full force ang ating heater today. But anyhow, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I hope you are happy, you are healthy, you are enjoying life, and of course, staying safe. Right? Yeah, so anyhow, again, as I mentioned, my name is Tita, and I am broadcasting from Ontario, Canada. Yes, magandang umaga kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. Magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Yes. So anyhow, konting lang tayo ngayon, touch base again. Nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption kasi so many people talaga minsan sasabihin sa amin na talagang kung scam daw yung business namin, yung online business. So most of you that are following me, again, shout out muna sa aking mga followers, mapabago man o mapaluma, maraming salamat. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So most of you na nag-follow sa akin, you know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko in a social media platform, and Facebook is my biggest platform. Kaya po ako na andito, nagpo-post, nagla-live, nagpo-post ng reels because our business is worth sharing. And believe it or not, na kahit na 9 years na kami na ginagamit itong system na ito, there are still a lot of people that doesn't know that they can actually earn money by working smarter and not harder. Yun po ang sasabihin ko. So nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption, is this online business a scam? And then I said, see it for yourself to find out. Because why not? If you are on social media and you're scrolling without purpose, bakit natin hindi pakinabangan, di ba? Sayang yung time, sayang yung internet mo, binabayad mo sa internet, when some people are actually earning using the same doing the same thing that you are doing. So bakit hindi mo pakinabangan? 'Di ba? So marami tao na talagang just jump into conclusion na scam, right? So rude sometimes, but you know what? Like, I'm not bothered with it anymore. I used to be bothered, but you know what? It's not my loss, it's their loss. Yan ang sasabihin ko. Because here I am enjoying my extra income, doing the same thing that they are doing. Here I am enjoying my personal growth, getting my time back, right? While others are just judging without any basis, right? But anyhow, I don't blame you 100% because yes, there are lots of not nice things on the internet. So we have to you have to be mindful on what you're gonna do, of course, because there are lots of scam. Yes, I agree with you. I don't blame you 100%. But what I am saying is that proceed with caution. Use common sense. That's why I said that. That's why I say, see it for yourself. It's because dito, we are 100% legitimate. we pay taxes. Here in Canada, we receive T4A in tax season, and in the USA, they'll receive 1099. So yes, we are 100% legitimate. On top of that, the platform that we are using has been in the business for 9 years. We're 9 years in November last month, right? And we are still doing the same thing. This system is changing lives every single day. How many thousands of millionaires na ang naandito po dahil po sa system na ginagamit namin? The same online business na tinatawag nyo na scam. How many people na nakapag-retire ng maaga o nakapag-reduce ng kanilang work schedule katulad ko dahil po sa online business na tinatawag mo na scam, right? So if we can have this time freedom, if we can have extra income using the same thing that you are using, the system that you're calling scam, then it's not our loss, di ba? Sa iyo yun. Nasa sa iyo yun. Right? So that's why sinasabi ko dyan, see it for yourself, because yes, we are very transparent. You can go, we offer 30 days trial membership for you to go in and check everything out kung para sa iyo or hindi ang negosyo na ito. So kung Roldan, thank you for watching. So kung tinatawag mo na scam ang negosyo na hindi mo pa alam, it's your loss, not ours. Diba? So there's a few things that you can check before you say it's a scam. There's few things. So look up in our business page, in our personal page kung ano yung pinopost namin, because our profile are public. Lahat kami na business owner dito sa the same platform na ginagamit ko, we are I believe we are 270,000 people in our community. So marami kami. Right? For 9 years na ginagamit namin ang system na ito. So check our Facebook page, our business page or our personal page, because we have both, and both of those profiles are public. So you have you are on your phone anyway, so why not check us out, diba? So check them before you say it's a scam, because maybe the scam is just on your head, diba? Diba? So yeah, Carlo, thank you for watching. So you are already on your phone, you are already on the internet, you already see our advertisement. So why not take extra time to look us up on our business page, on our personal page? Snoop us up. It's okay, right? Before you say it's a scam, because again, when you look at our business pages, you will see that of course we share our progress, our success. We share all of those. So you will see it's not only one person that is getting result. There are tons of us that are getting result. So if we can get result the same using the same smartphone, using the same internet that you are using, then why can't you? So where is the problem there, right? So yeah, so that's just what I wanted to know. I wanted to share, because yes, I do speak to a lot of people every single day. Pero I'm not like, before, if someone will tell me, I will never give you any money, you're a scam, blah 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 blah, right? Before I used to I used to get upset, but now I know I know what I'm doing. I know that my business is 100% legitimate, right? So why would I even give time for you. No. How many people that like, you know, reach out to me and just like do nasty things, right? Say nasty things, report me. Absolutely, you do whatever you can do. Like, you know, you can report me as much as you can. However, I am paying taxes, and I am paying for my advertisement, right? So like, you know, I don't even spare my time anymore, because you know what, it's just a waste of energy. I have tons of people that I need to help. I have tons of people who are reaching out that are really interested and are really wanted to know how we make money online. So why would I even waste time for you if you will just call me as a scam? No, I'll just block you. If you can report me, then I can block you too, right? So that's how, because it's like, you know, I don't get affected anymore. I don't, because it's not my personality that they are ruining. It's their personality, because first of all, the words come from them. It's not from me, right? So yeah, so if you are like, you know, if you are seeing our advertisement and we are posting results, so take time. If you're already there and you're saying, if you're thinking that it's a scam, we're just showing it to, like, you know, to brag. No, we are showing our results to tell you that there are better ways to earn without begging for raise, without begging for overtime. There are ways to earn money where you work smarter and not getting more time out from your family, right? So yes, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys, because again, with so many people that are like yelling at us, like saying our business is a scam, our results are fake. So take time, like, you know, give yourself a chance, because maybe that business that you call a scam, maybe that is your life saver. If you are like, you know, if you take time to find out everything, right? So yeah, so we are very transparent. So if you need more information about the business that I am talking about, go into my business page. My website is there. So sign up with your name and email address, and our back office will send you the information that you need. See, that's how easy it is. We work smarter, not harder. Mostly of the heavy lifting in our business is done automated, right? So if you want to start building something for yourself and for your family, and by the way, you can do this business whether you have full-time job or part-time, right? Anybody can start this business so long as you have open mind. I always say the key is for you to have that willingness to learn, because here we're not just growing our income, we are growing our personality, we are helping people, and so we provide you with all the tools that you need to succeed in your business, in this business. So yeah, so everything is there, right? So go into my business page, sign up with your name and email address, and then our system will send you the information that you need. They will follow up also for us. Yes, so ganon kadali. That's how we are supported. Mostly are done in automation. So if you wanna build something for yourself and for your family that can give you a passive income, 100% legitimate, a business that you can pass on to your kids, a business that can give you a lifetime bonus. We have that rank. We have that in our business, so we will get into that rank. So if that is your goal, then maybe expand your way of thinking. So maybe don't be close-minded. Maybe go sign up, check it out for yourself. And if you are really curious enough, take advantage of our 30 days trial membership. And that is where you find out everything that you need to know. The products, the system, the company that we are affiliated with, how you can scale up your business, how you can start your business, be added into our global community, so you will see more of us, right? So if you are skeptical or curious what this business is all about, if this is something for you or not, then yes, I would encourage you, sign up with your name and email address at my website na andyan sa aking business page, ang aking website. And then watch the free webinar. After you watch the free webinar, feel free to message me. I will be more than happy to talk to you and get more clarity. But the best way for you to understand everything, to learn everything, the in and out about the business, is to go into the trial membership, 30 days trial membership, wherein you pay $149 US. See, that's how transparent we are. We tell you everything. $149, which is refundable within the 30 days period. Okay, so that is where you can find out everything. Everything is laid out for you even before you get started. So keep an open mind and give yourself a chance, because if we can earn using our cell phone and Wi-Fi, why not you, right? If there are tons of people whose lives has been changed because of this business, why not your life, right? So yeah, so I hope it makes sense, and I am not gonna stay long, guys. It's Lynn, thank you for watching. I am just signing off. But yes, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. For those who are going to watch my the replay for this, thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So yes, enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Stay safe kung saan man po kayo. And yeah, so connect with me if you have more questions. And again, please watch the webinar first before you connect with me, so that you have an idea on what questions you're gonna ask me. Okay, sounds good, yeah? So thank you so much again, and enjoy the rest of your Thursday, enjoy the rest of the week, and I will touch base with you again later. So take care, everyone. God bless.